Say so. Say so.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is radbbie, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Radha. Make sure that you thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss the video that I post. For today's video, as you guys probably see from the title, I'm going to try the teeth whitening kit, and I'm so excited about that. I feel like I want some teeth treatment, so I kind of want to try this. I see a lot of people use the teeth whitenings and it is so cool, and I kind of want to try it if it's worth it or not. Of course, I'm not going to try it by myself. I want to show to you guys and share to you my opinion. Is it worth it to buy it, or if it's worth it to try it on? I usually use the whitening strip, and I don't know. I feel like the price is not that different, so I kind of want to try this new stuff. I got the Smile Titan teeth whitening kit. I've seen a lot of good feedback on this. I kind of want to try them out, how it's gonna be. And yeah, I will show to you guys and we will do the unboxing together, and let's go and try it. I'm so excited to try this on because my teeth is a little bit yellow, so I kind of want to fix this. I got this from like $20, which is very good. There are tons of brands in the Amazon, or I think you can find it on like shopping application. But yeah, I found this on the Amazon. They come very fast. I think I got this like within 2 days, which is so great. And it's come like this. I think this come with the instruction, like just very small piece of paper, and there's like the electric, like this kind of stuff. I don't know what is this called. We'll read some instruction and then I will show to you guys. We'll open this together. Yeah, I really want to do it because my teeth is kind of like yellow since I drink a lot of tea. So I kind of like feel uncomfortable for my teeth, so I kind of want to try this if it's worth it for me. I will show you guys a real picture of my teeth like before and after. That is gonna make sense a lot for you guys. So the instructions said that I should open the battery. With the batteries, there should be a clear thin plastic disc. Basically, I have to take this battery out, and there is going to be like a little plastic. I got it. So I have to take this out and then I put it back. So yeah, that makes sense. So this is the LED light, and I have to put it here. Ooh, fancy. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to clean this out first. Guys, I come back. I'm so sorry, I don't really know the instruction before. I kind of learned with you guys right now. So I'm going to put the mouth guard into the LED light like this. If you guys see, I have to do this. I'm so sorry, my hand is very wet. I got it. I already put the mouth guard into the LED light. Step number 3 is to apply a thin layer of gel to the insides of the mouthpiece. Use about like 1 ml. So let's see. So this is a gel. So I actually don't know what is this, and I know it now. I'm so stupid. Didn't prepare for anything. I'm so sorry, guys. You guys have to wait for me. Oh my god, I hope this is gonna work. I want my teeth to be white. I see a lot of nice people have like very white teeth, and I kind of want. I have the yellow white. I don't know if you can tell because on the camera it's probably not show a lot, but I have like a little bit yellow, so I don't like that. How do I open this? They said use about 1 ml, guys. This is 3 ml, so that means like I have more days to use it. So I will use this like only 1 ml or less than that, but they don't recommend you to use like more than 1 ml. So I'll put it into the mouth and turn on the light. Wait 10 minutes and then rinse your mouth with the water. In the instruction they said wait 10 minutes and then you can wash your teeth, right? But I do a research and they said they leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, so I'm going to do like that because I feel like 10 minutes is too short for that. So I'm going to put this on. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. I don't know how it's gonna feel. I'm so sorry guys if I'm so excited because I never tried this before. This is kind of like fancy. Look at this. This is 2:44 now, so I'm going to leave it for like 20-25 minutes. So put it on, turn on. Okay, I'm going to try it. I'm so excited guys. I'm so excited. I wish this works for me. So oh.
Yeah. Live free, speak your peace. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cook.
Hey guys, so this is like the after. To be honest, I think this is pretty cool for 20 bucks. I think this is very convenient and very easy to do it. So I would recommend you guys who are interested to buy this kind of teeth whitening. I would recommend you guys to do that. I feel like this is just a first time. I have to do it like more than one time. I feel like the process is gonna get better. So I feel like this is very good impatient for me, to be honest. And I really like the price. The price is great. My experiments is done but still in processing because I think this takes more than 1 day, and I understand that because no one have like only 1 day's experiments and becomes like all white. That is impossible. So I will see after 2 or 3 days how it is. Or now I will give it 8 out of 10 because I feel like my lower teeth is kind of like still yellow, and I feel like it works on like the front of the teeth, but like in the sides I feel like it's not like really different. Let me know in the comment if you guys tried this or not and which one you try it and it works for you, because I really curious and I really want to know. I want to try it and I want to fix my teeth. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and let me know if you have something to say and which video you want me to do it, and I will see you guys in the next video. For today's I have to go. Bye.